Makiaria kaunti-ini ya Kajiado, Atongoria a ciama cia arutani guothe bururi-ini na kiria kia arutani anene a mathukuru ma primary KEPSHA moigite arutwo ni meharirie gwika igeranio ciao cia kibururi na uguo kugarura tariki cia kigeranio kiu ni kuhotomia maumirira ma arutwo acio.
We don't want to see our examination timetable being altered. Teachers have prepared themselves to foresee the examinations. Our candidates have also prepared themselves, and thus we don't want to see any interference as far as the timetable, examination timetable is concerned.
Ona kuria uguo Minister wa githomo Fred Matiang'i ni anirire kira gikuhutio kalenda-ini ya igeranio no kigeranio gia ithomo rimwe. Oho atongoria ciama ici ruhonge rwa Kajiado ni makaire thirikari kumana na unyihu wa arutani uria ukoretwo ugumeire gicigo kiu.
The shortage now stands at 1,600 in Kajiado County. We want also to demand that Teacher Service Commission should give Kajiado County enough teachers as per its needs when it comes to recruitment or employment of teachers. Giving us 13 teachers is a drop in the ocean.
Ningi nimoritie kamiti ya kwandika arutani TSC imurike weru mubango wa guthamiria arutani anene mathukuru-ini ma kurayana kwao amu gwika uguo ni uguthararia uruti wao wa wira. Undu uyu ukite thiku nini thutha wa kamiti ya TSC kwanirira ni gukorwo igithamia arutani aria marutagira wira kaunti-ini ciao. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Kariuki wa Wachira.